This year, I was given the honor of representing the community that raised me. But one thing that I watched this community contend with over the years was growing frustration and anger. Frustration because so many of my community members spend hours on their commute. Anger because every day, to meet the needs of their families, they must leave before the sun comes up, and then they get home long after the sun goes down. To support their families, they must trade not being with their families. They are missing out on baseball games, birthday parties, and parent-teacher conferences. And our local communities are missing out on the time those individuals could spend differently, supporting our local restaurants and coffee shops, volunteering at the local food bank or senior center, creating relationships with their neighbors, enjoying their local parks, lakes, and forests, and getting involved in the policies and decisions made by the governments that serve them. As legislators, we are gatekeepers, authorizers, and promoters of the communities and local governments across our state. Communities and local governments that have been shaped by federal and statewide decisions, but even more so by local tragedies and local heroism, unique and resource-driven solutions to problems, and the passion to support and provide for the people we serve together. There are times when a community asks for authorization and support. This is one of those times. They're asking to use their tools and their resources to pursue common goals, to grow their local jobs, build their local economy, and increase quality of life. This legislation comes with high standards. It requires family wage jobs, upholds workforce commitments, and prioritizes workforce development. I believe it's our duty to authorize and support local governments in their efforts. And I ask for a yes vote because our communities deserve better. Everyone deserves a commute that supports their quality of life. Everyone deserves to enjoy the community where their kids attend school, where they pick up their groceries, and where they lay their head at night. This legislation creates a path for our communities and our residents to let go of the anger and frustration and begin to thrive. And that creates positive reverberations across our entire state. So please vote yes for local control, yes for jobs, and yes to let our local governments build a better Washington.